Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Sri Hari Raghavendra Academy. Gnananandamayam Devam Nirmala Spatikakrutim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrivam Upasmahe Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. By taking the blessings of Hayagriva Swami and Saraswati Devi, let's start the part 3 video of conditional formatting. Guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to the video if you have liked the content. So today I will be teaching you the third video of conditional formatting. Guys, in the last class, we just discussed about the conditional formatting based on greater than values, lesser than values, between values, equal to values, and the text that contains the same match. But in today's class, I will be teaching you what is this data bar in conditional formatting and how can you apply this function. Say for example, these are the marks of the students. Okay. Say for example, if you want to maintain the secrecy in the classroom. Say for example, this student has done very well. He has got 100 of 100, but you just don't want to show it in numerical numbers. So instead of showing it in numerical numbers, you can show it in the uh, data bar graph so that it will be like highlighting it and you are also avoiding the values. Okay. Say for example, this is most probably used in marketing and sales based company. See, if there are around 20 members in a team, and if the manager doesn't want to expose which person has earned a most highest commission, say for example, in order to maintain such kind of secrecies, this kind of data bars will usually be deployed in the organization. Because if you want to maintain the secrets, like who has earned highest incentives or who has got the highest marks in the case of students exam, or in case if you show this 20 mark, the student might get depressed in front of everyone if there is a numerical value. But instead of showing it in numerical values, if you're showing it in some kind of graph, then that if there are no numbers and it is stored in some kind of representation, that kind of humiliations can be avoided. So how can we do this here? So first we have to select the cell, go to conditional formatting. You can select the data bar. So you have two options called gradient fill and solid fill. In the gradient fill, you can see the shades of two colors. But in the case of solid fill, you can only fill the one color. So I will take the gradient fill option here. So once I select the gradient fill, now you see this is creating a graph. This has already created a bar graph here. Say for example, this graph, say for example, if it is values of 19, the bar which is created is of small. If it is 100, then there's a full graph. Now, if I don't want these values to be representing here, I just want only the graph. So what should I do is I should just select the entire cell again. I will go for conditional formatting and I will go for manage rule. In manage rule, I will select edit rule, and in edit rule, I will select show only bar, and I will click on OK. Okay. So now you can see now the marks which was earlier there by the students got deleted. Now only bar gaps are left. See, now it's not visible no which student has scored what kind of marks, but you can clearly see the bar is full here, which means that this student has got 100 marks. So we don't know how much these students have gone. So what had happened to the earlier values? It is not existence now. Do you think Excel has deleted it? No, Excel has not deleted it. If you just click on this bar, you can see those values in the formula bar. Here is the formula bar. Keep this in mind. Excel will not delete because this bar is created based on the values. So Excel will not delete this value. So this is one of the questions which you can also get for your interview. Okay, see here. So by this, what you can do is, instead of representing the things in the value, you can represent it in the form of bar. So this is one of the options that is available in conditional formatting to hide certain values or to maintain the secrecy of a certain sales team. So who has earned the highest, if you just want to don't expose that person who has earned the highest interview because other person might feel jealous about them. So if you want to maintain such kind of secrecies, you can make use of this bar graph. Thank you. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button. Thank you. Have a nice day.